Wagwan people, welcome back to another installment of Panda Days.
What? This isn't my channel.
Oh yeah. By the way, we're here with my good old buddy, old pal, Panda Anonymous. He has a YouTube channel as well. If you guys want to follow him, it will be right here. Alright guys, so today we'll be swapping over my Mugen exhaust to my newly acquired black TSX. So pretty much I'm just going to swap over all the fancy parts to the black car. Follow along. Alright guys, so this is a 14mm bolt for your exhaust. Oh, that wasn't fun. Yeah. Why is it not on the jack then?
Oh, because it's not on it. No.
Okay, that's not fun. Yeah. Alright guys, so we just took off the exhaust from this car. It's the Mugen exhaust, so I'm keeping it. Mugen, it's pretty shiny.
Little tie burn tips.
Yep.
Right? Titanium burn tips.
Something like that. So what are we gonna do now, Panda?
We gotta take off the stock exhaust on that. Take off the stock exhaust on the black car. And then put this one on the black car, take the stock exhaust, put it on the white car, and then take off a few more parts, and then that car's ready to go to a new owner.
Alright guys, one more thing. You have a couple hangers to remove. It's pretty simple. You just pull it off, right? Pull.
Yeah, push, pull, push,
and pull.
tug it a little bit. It's actually a pretty clean car though. It might be way easier than no rust.
Alright guys, so we got the stock exhaust off of the black car now. As you can see here, muffler, resonator. This one, titanium cans, muffler, no resonator. Oh, is that the difference? I think it is. So the Mugen exhaust is going to go on my car, which is right there. And then the OEM is going to go back on the white car. And then it's going to be sold. What are your thoughts on the OEM versus Mugen exhaust?
I mean, we already know this one sounds amazing.
It's not loud.
And it was on your auto car, so now you can go wop. That makes sense.
And we'll show you guys the video of the car going
wop.
All right, guys. So we're just gonna. I mean, we're not gonna bore you and video us putting it back on because it's the same steps of taking it off. What are we doing now, Panda Anonymous?
We're gonna take off the strut bar, and then we might take off the
intake if it's not too hard.
If it's not too much.
Yeah.
We'll do this one first, and then if we still want to do it later.
R.I.P. old engine bay. Radiator cap. My Mugen radiator cap. Cheese racing, baby. So we're just gonna swap over those parts, and we will be right back. Thank you very much.
Ooh, all them clicks. Ooh, all that leverage. Oh, baby. Oh, it's mad.
Alright, so we took out the Cusco Front Strut Bar and we took out my J's intake to put on a black car. Alright, and here is the J's intake on my black car and the Cusco strut with my yellow top battery. Alright guys, so on the previous car, the strut bar hits the AC line. So my dad, being the electrician, he has insulated wiring. So we cut off a little piece and we put it right on the AC line so it won't damage it, like how it damaged my other car. As you can see right here, it's a little dented. See it? From the Cusco bar.
Alright. Ooh, done with the cars. Need me some fresh coconut juice. Pause.
Alright guys, I want to thank you for joining us on this TSX build. Hopefully you guys learned something. If not, I don't care. I just love doing this.
Do it
with
yourself.
my friends.
Yeah, make friends while you do it.
Yeah, I just love doing this with my friends, you know? So if you guys like this video and want to see more content like this, just like the video, subscribe, hit that little ding, that little bell, yeah, little ding dong, and then, you know, follow us for more, dog. You know, not much else to say. This car is gonna transform from what it is now. By pretty much, it's gonna be ready for the Honda meet in April. So you guys are gonna love it. What are you gonna do to your car?
Really gotta get wheels for it and suspension. I'm skipping an autocross event this month because life is happening. But yeah, you know, it's part of the game. Stuff happens.
So where can people follow you to see more about your autocross events and
just follow my
potential things
YouTube,
that happen
man.
in your future?
Follow my YouTube at Panda Days. You can follow my.
It's gonna be right here.
You can follow my Instagram at Panda.abus.
It's gonna be right here.
And if you just watch a video, you can see the rest of my social media that I just can't remember because it's hard to get Panda Anonymous on everything apparently. Who'd have thought?